Yad Nana, Edo Shidana, Antidition. She'eya, Lahat Station. They always say you have to have an oddball or a black sheep in a group that does something differently. So, I'm doing mine on a PowerPoint. She's senior Capstone, Homeland collage. Nana, she's Nihikeyah, Lyle Logg. Could you call Belley, Diné, no Hokadi, and the Leatricia, Nihikeyah, Johad Belley, Bennett, Hathathli, Hala, Kaya, Nits'áá, Ahashid Kaya, Nido, Ahashid Kaya, Bikizako. Has doing his own and no Nihikeyah. Indigenous Bahazan Sisna, Jinsolted, or Ghostly, the Bensa, Johad Hathathli, Aishin, the Nits'áá, Nihikeyah, Nsahakis Ina, says and Jayat Hathathli. Hathathli, Shi Hashin Soya, Arnold Soya, Nihikeyah Bahazan the Cop. The Nits'áá, Kiso, or Billey, Bennett, Hathathli, Clayton, Alumni, Clayton, Arizona. Clayton is located in Apache County, in the state of Arizona. Hostoja Hahotoja Kaya, Sa'ako. Could you quite bad Yagi, Hashinto, Kaya, Benasto, Kodo, Bishmas Anhawan, not Ahawan, Equa, Sa'ando, other quite the Nihikeyah, Tino, Agio, Eahawan, Nasnelico, or Hashinto, Kaya, Liniha, the Echo. The Javaco, Hashinto, Behold, and I see what that is on. I behold, it's in a little valley in this house situated. It's located along US Route 191, 14 miles south of Ganadu and 23 miles north of Chambers off Interstate I-40. And the elevation there is 6,437 feet. With a high elevation like that, we get just as much snow as the summit. A lot of people don't believe me when I say that, but we get just as much snow as the summit in the Wind Rock area and other areas as well. The census population for my community of Clayton, again, this is a decennial measurement census that takes place every 10 years. So back in 2010, we had 242 residents. And then back in 2020, it dwindled down to 181. That's the Nihikeyah. Joy Hashinto being quite the naked Nigi, Ayoya, Hotza, a Koebe, Bennett, Echo. And Ado Equakesh, Nigi, Hashinto, Le Shingo, Ahos, Tosha. Temperatures are in the mid 90s. Ado, Heko, they're in the low 20s. Ado, became another Haki, some cotton, some other job. We get 6.5 inches of annual rainfall a year. Yes, we usually get like around 5 inches of snow. because the land area itself encompasses 152,000 acres. Hathathli land-based name, Nahalo do Keyah, Niyaho Ade, Yamado, Hija, Yumasan, Yachinale, Hadashin, Yaho, Ado Hadashin, Eya, Hahos, Keyah, Iyako, Hashin, so Keyah, Lini, Bishi, Halon, Ako, Ehus Bahas, and go Eyat, Ezo, Ako, Dika, Keyah, Bishi, Linigi, Eto, Hashin, so the Nostan, there's a watershed, a water aquifer that is under the community of Clagito, and that's where it gets its name. And this in English, it's translated as water under the ground. Naturally, they're natural springs. I'll tell you that right now. And it builds back up. Like I said, it's a watershed, it's a water aquifer. Ishin the bedol shi ado abitui dot ishin yet to ishin the original well Clagito, this is the picture of it, Equagi. The Equagi Tsanatli, Etsek is Equagi, Balian, Nten, Ado Edikrat Yagi, Quagi, Stiso, Tsenishji, but all the Naza, Koya, Etohano. Tohatsan, Tochen, Ebi Bahasan, Ako Di Ade, Ishibin Nihikeyah, Bijibalia, Ako Adio Tohatsan, Ako Ende, Ade, Niyago, Di Ishkido, Do Chon Idakan, Joy Hashin so Togi do hate Ade Yindal, Jodo hate Ade, Ede Lego, O Togi Ayo. Do yat easily at Zada, a co Benagi, Uyu Ea Chilhaji, do ya, the Hanya, the hit order, the Leo, Cadena, so 800 or Choina. So this is a well that didn't dry up necessarily. It's got water in it, but it was never really utilized again. And there's a lot of brush that grows around it. There's trees that came out, and the community doesn't use this water anymore. Matter of fact, there was a salamander in the water, and they showed me so maybe there's a contamination there as well. So even this well is located an eighth of a mile east of the Red Mesa store. The name of the store is Red Mesa, not the community. Kin Nalia Bahawan. And when somebody said that, that's how you understood as they're going to the store. They go, they need you that. Because like I said, this was the first well that was developed in the community of Clagito. Additionally, Clagito landmarks, the landmarks that we have where I come from in my homeland. Standing house rooms located southeast of Clagito. ade, le dake antil has agi bakage, ade, dasaan, anzaleon, ilkid, Jordan hit a little ajana dada, do da abad at the halom, dan hit no, yada hoba, a coibin nacha anzaleon, ilkid, hot alco. Ado di sa angi ben nache, jo anasaze, jo hat inde la kwagi, le togi, ni la ha togi, a kon le trajrako, ahada, le togi trajra, le trodan leon, le senda des baligi, ya anasaze, keda hat inegi, beda hazen. You see remnants of Nits'áá ruins, ado Nits'áá lingi, ohni unter des Tranchen, begin das dal jingo begin das so. Ado hashint klitchi oder da wie so. Jo do ban hat hat ne kom. Nach azen. Ado hajo man sinaze kiso there is evidence of early Navajo settlement. Le anasaza estindo ado nihi denenki nini kwa anasi delgi kwagi nihi do be azen akodi tsetash ado best ogin lingi ni khan go atlo. So you'll find remnants of grinding stones and arrowheads that just further explains how Klagito has evidence of early Navajo settlements as well. Ako Kaya Lingi Bechaholzo Benagi Ado Kwagi places in Klagito Di Kigi Tratnas Navajo Hathathli Pawan Sani Kwasaan. Di 1963 Alia ARD sandstone Akon Le Tropena Se Hadnonigi Jo Hoan Lini Belia Nat Hoan or Belia Akodiba Dateogo Itzenishchi Naznil Nidnil Adodi Benau Ado Bennett Setsen Lingi based Ako Elian Danjo has twi dan lo Yoho one the Inde Ado Tse Nan Gijdo Tsehadil Inge Yichinde. So you actually had people that were rock carvers that could make homes with any type of stone. And these stone masons on all the Tabashiko. It's still there. It's really cool in the summer, and then it's in Genobe Hosta in the winter. It's like that too. So that is the local chapter house. Like I said, it was built in 1963 by community members. They weren't paid. That happened in 1963. And the most unique thing about the chapter, the community I come from, Tsaile, is actually designated as a National Historic Landmark. And that happened in 2021. Nihikeyah Benache, Kaya Lini Berdosi, on Lede Washington, has on the Department of Interior, Ikitadeni, Kodi, Nihema, Sana Dishnigi, the late Dr. Winika, Joe Adon Jalande. On her behalf, they designated this land as a National Historic Landmark. And then there's also a St. Anne mission that was established in 1924. Back in the 1950s, Washington, Bureau of Indian Affairs School. They had a BIA school there at one time. Bikini and the Naznel. Ado hate all the and the Anaznel. And then this is, we're affiliated with the Fort Defiance Agency within the Navajo Nation. Because the residents of Clydito, Toge, the Nihikeyah, Inigi, the clan presence that we have in Clydito, Tudichini, Setna Jini, Sanjikina, Trabaha, Ashina, Betahni, Totsotni, Kedai, Nini, Donad, and then the Kedat, most abundantly is Tudichini, Setna Jini, Sanjikina, Hashin, so they're married into each other within that community. That's what I found out. Then, and the story says the reason why it's like that is because a Sitnanjini woman was attracted to a Sanjikina man and then vice versa. And so, like I said, ídahwiil'aah, she was one of the residents from Clydito. She was a Navajo councilwoman, the second Navajo councilwoman, matter of fact. She did receive the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1963 from President Lyndon B. Johnson. And she got recommended by John F. Kennedy when that took place. And the Navajo today consider her the legendary mother of the Navajo Nation. So as a hinge, the Kosnachni, Ye Openani Shila, Adali, the Hachin, Lini, Hashin, so Otkat Lini, Dainot Kat, is not Tato, Hichin Yakio, Hashin, so the Zan, Liniba, ídahwiil'aah, or Edo, his Bahamazan. And then another resident, the late Albert Hale, Shinab, the Shon, Adon Javatlo. All of you know he was an attorney. He was also a politician, Arizona State Representative in the Senate and then the House of Representatives. And he was also a Navajo Nation president from 1994 to 1998. Mr. Albert Tom, he's from Clydito as well. He was with the Arizona House of Representatives from 2005 to 2009. Clydito is known. Clydito, as you all know, has its own Navajo rug design. The Yogan Lini Hashin, so the most significant thing about it, how you can tell it's the Clydito rug, it's got a gray background. Then you'll see the colors black, white, and red design centered on an elongated diamond. Very similar to Ganado red, very similar to it. And then also the Clydito Swingers are also very well known singing group. Ade, Behabels and Ne, dort Ordenan, Schneelion, Leoy'aah, or Oiki, the cut of Ordene, Yakana Chatoli, Ndor de Nion, Oiki Hatakane. So they were one of the first pioneers to get Navajo songs recorded by Indian House Records out of Santa Fe. Then of course the Clagatomania Swingers, and then we have Pristine Well Waters, Silversmiths, and then also we have ceremonial knowledge within the community itself too as well. Hey, home spirituality, Nihikeyah, I say that because this picture here, this is where my grandmother and my grandfather lived, and then this is our horse corral, the barn. I'm working on that, I'm taking that apart, I'm moving it, so Washington, back in the 1950s, this was one of the homes. Anitko, Shamayaje, Shama, Doshita, Kedanini, Biyana, Yaho, Adoshido, Adoshid Hajegi, Biyadoni Yadaho, Okoe, Ahuansa, Okoe, Benache, Ani, Shidade, Kayan, Shidate. There's a family collaboration with Clagato surrounding communities. She trained any Yobels and then Ayo, Shidate, Idoha, Ishin, Banana, le besta kida di jehoda yo be baaders inde hawanda ikhon akoda tenedan tsande in khane ha di besh khan di shan de tabed no benachu you has we do sani bahasasin akodish jin obans skista shel olosada ohot oda beshin ohot akida in ohot akida bedin dish jin edo eda khar chinto ohot on benalni tinda. And Ado the Shinin of Krishinto, Krehano, Ado Ea, Aqua Tohas Ani, Andi Ea, Nodo Ea, Don the Etliniki Benache, Nihikeyah, a coeota, a co dequa as Agi, Com Asad, Ado Hashin, so Hathal, Hane, a Kidna Hane, than Lini Ea, Beji, a Lilke, Ado Ea, Keyaha, that Agi, Edo Beji, Ilke. Kaya Baka, Chil, Nanset, Halon, Leitohas Agi, God, that Kujolat, Gade, Hashin, some Hans, Hashine, large children, Gun Ili, at Bede the Ja, Ado Ea, Il Beige, Ado, Hiklanso, Ado Doyat, Egi, Hashin Soy, Inalzito, Hat all children, Ado Tsot, Edo Aze, that Edo Ketlon, and no. All the habit, Ado Ea, Tsaile, so you have Joy Al Hashin, so Tsaile, and Lini, Ea, Hathal, Bedadate, Ado Talosh, Hajonja, Hathal, now, Joy Al Betalosh, Gage, Harakis, Ado Ea, Hashin, so Ea, Kenny J, Quebec, 8 ans, Lenigi, Lochonga. That little ball that they use, a 102 Yuccastans are used in that ceremony. Ajit or Obedate, Jo Hashin so Nits'áá at Ina Yahaneko. A call. So na shadow do Kehash Endo do Shiaho at Shamasando Shit Keya Iki Yagi do Shas Tudo Shazani than Lini. Ohat A Yeshit das Ando Yeshit das Snako. So the Ashini, oh, you had a date, you had a logo that. Arts is those like baby show the shot. Ekidan, Jinne, Diné, and it references a story. It's not gossip, like what people say. And I don't like that term when they use Diné as gossip. Diné back in the time, the Nenan Zodo, later, Salah, Washington, Salah, Aden, Huna, China, Kahoshin, Aden, Zergande, and then Lenigi, Geronimo, or Ishimona, Nihikeyah, Ketoas, Ivy, Huna, Shinka, Kadok, Zergande, and Lenigi, Haskin, Lenigi, Geronimo, with the Shinigi, Hashin, so but see Nazi, all the shit, but Adeila, a co Aden, Asian quite the Neke, Enigi, Kai Jail, quite the Lagana, Shin National. Hashin so Asian Egypt that the jail Eden is in a Kohashin not based on all that Egi it's on the in the long day this in up high Agi. This change are like you are that Joe that Egi and the Hello Hashin so Nihikeyah and the little Benny Joe the Shard and so the Shineko a god it's called condition. Nihisi not Santo Nihikeyah Samodo, Nihikeyah, Hashin, so Nihikeyah, Shiba, Seto, Kazato, Koibinachi, here, and General, Nihikeyah,